Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And where down we go, 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 go.
Hi, this is Edwin. Welcome to 12045 Guerin Street, unit number 203 in the most beautiful and prestigious Studio City neighborhood. The property offers 3-bedroom, 3-bath with the most elegant finishes. Just a step away to Ventura Boulevard from all fine dining, attractions, and transportation. Not to mention the property located within a carpenter school district. Let's go take a look at this gorgeous property together and enjoy.
Yeah, but for the folk who my heart, do you dare to look them right in the eyes? Yeah. Oh, 'cause they will run you down to the door. Yeah, someday we'll run you down till you fall.